Hey, it's Joel. Once again, it's time for another edition, another episode of Fan Mail Friday. There you are. Welcome back. The box is out. What is this, you may ask? Well, if all goes according to plan, you're going to see the 3D printed speaker enclosure episode in a couple days. That's the plan. These are all the parts right here. And these are all the parts right here. In fact, if you're subscribed to the channel or you follow me on TikTok or Instagram for the Reels, we're putting together a nice little shorts, just a little 60-second teaser for this sort of stuff. And we're putting it out on all those platforms. And if all goes according to plan, you should have seen it already. But I didn't want to take it off the table, so here it is. All right, we've got one package, two envelopes. I think it's time to open them up. Package over here. The first envelope is from, shipped out of Tacoma, Washington. Neighborhood. Inside. Oh, happy holidays. Look at that. Wishing you a season of gladness, a season of cheer, and to top it all off, a wonderful year from Mark. It's from Mark. Wow. Thanks, Mark. The front of the card is a trailer with a Kris Kringle, I believe. Yes. Yes, it is. That is a bag of gifts. That is a bag of gifts. Well, obviously, this is from earlier in the year, but Mark, thank you very much. Next up, we've got Anglesmith Customs out of Colorado. Okay, let's see. And inside, we got stuff. Oh, look at this. So first of all, okay, Anglesmith Customs. Great little stickers. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a fantastic sticker, granted. But look at this. So on this side, looks like some valves, right? Or pistons, I'm sorry. WRX. Look at that! These are awesome. The prints look fantastic. Oh, this is a great idea. Wonderful idea. Thank you for those. Well, shoot, we also have a letter. Dear nerd man dude of the 3D printing. That's what it says right here, no joke. I partake unto the chains of the key holding. Huzzah! I'm word for word. I've been watching your show since the Wii years and just wanted to thank you for all you have done for the 3D printing community. I am first and foremost a car enthusiast, but I have a love for 3D design and modeling. So I've started my very first Etsy store and have started with selling automotive-themed keychains. Not a bad idea. From watching your older videos, I've noticed your WRX in the background and thought it'd be cool to send you a few of my boxer keychains with the WRX logo on them. These are made with Protopasta's Electric Lemonade, Cupid's Crush Pink, and of course, High Five Blue. I knew I recognized it. I printed these on me, boy, I can't speak today. I must either have too much caffeine or not enough. I printed these on my newly acquired stock single extruder Anycubic Mega X. They look fantastic. I hope you enjoy them, Mr. Anglesmith. Instagram at Anglesmith_customs. P.S. Keep it nerdy. Look at that. And look at the words right up top. I told you I wasn't fibbing. Those were the actual words. Mr. Anglesmith, thank you very kindly. This is awesome. These stickers are wonderful. I really appreciate it. I'm going to find a good place to put them. Last, and certainly not least, never, we have this box, and it is from California, and I believe the name on it is Jake. Jake. From State Farm? Probably not Jake from State Farm. Ooh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Inside we have packing material. Aww. A USB stick. It does say, my printer is out of ink, so this is my note. Okay, and a Printer Pro. Oh, and a frog? Is that right? Okay, there's a really good looking frog, and unfortunately, the frog's front paw is now no longer a part of it.
What Gloop is for.
That is what Gloop is for. A Printer Pro Printimate. So thank you for that. There's a little frog here. If your printer was out of ink, let's see. Sean, can you reach my laptop down there? Okay. And the adapter, because this is a MacBook and so it doesn't have USB. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this thing. I got this on Amazon. It was like $10. Normally, if someone sends you a USB stick, I highly suggest you don't plug it into anything that you care about just in case. But I'm going to take a chance here. So the file name is titled letter, I guess, .rtf. Hello, Joel. I can't believe this works. I hope you're doing all right during this time of uncertainty. You're receiving this package because I accidentally ordered the wrong size filament for my printer and have no idea what to do with it for a little bit. I figured it can't hurt to have some extra filament lying around, especially when someone is printing as much as you. So here we are. I hope you enjoy this really nice blue color from Printimate. This is my first ever sending fan mail, and I know this is an unusual format, but my printer was out of ink. If you want to contact me, my email is here, and you can keep the drive. Obviously. Sincerely, Jake Van Gessel. Look at that. Jake didn't do, not from State Farm. Jake did not do me wrong, and in fact, the USB stick is safe. So that's awesome. Thank you for this. I do have your email address, and I'll reach out. So thank you for that, Jake. Well, that's it for this episode of Fan Mail Friday. Nothing for the box today, but 3 really interesting and fun items to receive. Obviously, if you want to send something in for the channel, it's never ever required, but the address you can do so is down in the description of every video we publish here. Big thanks for watching. And if you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, practice kindness aggressively, and as always, high five.